At Chevron, we take innovation seriously. It's in our DNA. Continued growth and the increase in volume of operatives working out on the highway demands a smarter, system-led approach to managing our key processes. Safe systems of work, competency management, working hours, fatigue, and the visibility of revenues are all fundamental to operating Chevron successfully. Our aim? To create a scalable, lean operating model where day-to-day business operations are visible and transparent to management. Our vision? To deliver improved safety and quality assurance. To create an environment where we're able to leverage real-time data to drive operational excellence. And ultimately, to improve outcomes for our customers. We've realized that ambition, and our system is now live across the business, generating insight, auditable data, and a single point of access into what, how, and where we do it. Automated reporting tools give early warning to our management teams and supply chain to ensure that we're always ahead of the curve when it comes to maintaining competencies, inductions, and health. Our customers can be assured that the people we deploy at site have been continuously screened and validated by the very latest software systems. Using the latest tools in the planning and design of our works enables us to meet the changing needs of our customers quickly and efficiently. This is only the start of the journey. We aspire to a fully integrated environment with our customers and our suppliers, where the data streams we generate out in the field feed directly into the systems managing the network.